This is a simple story, but an important one for every business owner. Recently, Mr. Mate was sitting in a small restaurant having tea with a few business owners. As they spoke about their daily work, he noticed something worrying. They all believed their data was always safe, so they never really thought about computer backup. In fact, some of them had never even heard about it. In their shops and offices, computers handle everything: billing, payments, customer records, inventory. Their entire business depends on this. But no one really thinks about what can go wrong. Until one day, a system crash, accidental delete, or a virus attack. Suddenly, everything stops. Customers are waiting. Work is stuck. And every minute means loss of money. The stress is real. That's when Mr. Mate explained, backup is not just about files and data. It means saving your full system as it is. Your applications, settings, and even the operating system, and storing it safely in another place, either in your office or in a remote location or in the cloud. And the best part, with a proper backup, your system comes back exactly like before. Same software, same data, same setup as when the backup was taken. Or you can simply recover one file in minutes. No panic, no long downtime. Because the truth is, most business owners understand the importance of backup only after losing their data. Don't wait for that day. Protect your data. Protect your business.